other. In a count of 1, 2, 3, choose your box. Don't worry, sir. All of our animals here are safe, trained, and friendly, so no need to be scared. I think they're pretty mature with these boxes. And now we are going to open these boxes one by one. But before that, to make it more fun and exciting, you are going to wear the blindfolds. Now we give you a chance to touch and feel what's inside your chosen box. Okay, ready? Set, touch it. Come on guys, you can do it. One more time. Ready, set, touch it. Okay, you may now remove your blindfolds. Now, ma'am, are you ready to meet the animal inside your chosen box? Yes. How about you, ma'am? Are you ready? Yes. And last but not the least, sir, are you ready to meet the animal inside your chosen box? Why, sir? Once again, sir, don't worry, all of our animals here are safe, trained, and friendly, so no need to be scared. Once again, sir, are you ready? How about the audience? Are you ready? Okay, since you're ready, let's proceed to box number 1. Now, can you tell me what's inside your chosen box?
Yes, hedgehog.
A hedgehog. Let's see. Let's open box number 1 in the count of 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's big. Thumbs up like this. Don't worry, man. Billy is super friendly. Don't be so nervous, man. You can do it. Alright, by the way, this is Billy, our ball python. They can grow up to 5 feet long and can live approximately up to 20 years in captivity. Now, ma'am, what can you say about Billy? Thank you so much, ma'am, but please stand by. We are not done yet. And now, let's proceed to box number 2. Now, can you describe to me what's inside your chosen box? Okay, let's see. Everybody, please help me to count. In the count of 1, 2. Okay, let's proceed to box number 3. Now I'll get back to you. So be ready, okay? Now, sir, it's your turn. Are you excited to meet the animal inside your chosen box? Why medyo lang, sir? Kinakabahan or excited? Don't worry, sir. All of our animals here, once again, are safe, trained, and friendly. Now, sir, do you have any idea what kind of animal po? A lizard or an iguana. Let's see, everybody, once again, please help me to count. In the count of 1, 2, 3. Let's open box number 3. Oh, you guessed it right, sir. It's Kitty. Okay, sir, can you put your palms up like this? Alright, once again, this is Iggy, our red iguana. They can be found in the southern and eastern parts of Africa. They can live approximately up to 20 years in captivity, and they can grow up to 6 feet long. Now, sir, what do you say about Iggy?
Very long.
Thank you so much, but please stand by. We are not done yet. And now, let's go back to box number 2. Now, before anything else, who are you with today? Who did you go through in Zoobic Safari? family. Where are they? Hello guys, welcome to Zoobic Safari. Now ma'am, do you have any last words for your family? Oh no ma'am, I'm just joking, but this time it's for real. Once again, are you ready? Yes. Okay, and since you're ready, everybody, for the last time, please help me to count. In the count of 1, 2, 3. Let's open box number 2. Everybody, please stay where you are. Everything is under control. Everybody, please help us to find a missing animal. Please search on your seats. Yes, Pierre, have you found it? Is it there? A nice shoe? You're just yelling for a nice shoe? Kuya Greg, one animal is missing and you're just busy checking for a nice shoe? Come on guys, let's go back to work. And now, everybody, please fix your eyes over there for our furnace python. Okay guys, whatever happens, please do not talk or speak to our animal friends. Alright, by the way, this is Zeus, our albino Burmese python. They can grow from 30 to 25 feet long and can weigh around 200 to 400 pounds. Pythons are non-venomous, but they are constrictors. They make use of their powerful muscles to squeeze or overpower their prey. Now, sir, what can you say about Zeus?
No.
About you, ma'am, how does it feel?
Scary.
And the luckiest among all, ma'am, you are holding near the head. What can you say about Zeus?
Smooth and soft.
Is it your first time to touch an animal like this?
Yes.
And I think it's a great experience for you, right? Only here in Zoobic Safari. And with that, everybody, please listen to this environmental issue. Now, folks, you have met some of our wonderful animal friends. Now is the right time to talk about them. The reason why these animals are here is because they serve as ambassador of their own species to the environment, which makes up their home. They are here for you to appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and the danger they face in their natural habitat. So in behalf of the Zoobic Safari Management, we would like to remind you of your contribution to the environment, and that is to reuse, recycle, refuse, and respect. Maraming salamat po. See you on the next business